Our Commitment 2014 coverage continues with the death penalty. Continues to be one of the most controversial issues of our time, and for the first time in 20 years, voters are casting their ballots for a new Sacramento County District Attorney. Continuing our coverage right now, we asked the three candidates hoping to become the county's top prosecutor their thoughts on the issue. First, you're going to be hearing from Anne Marie Schubert, a 24-year veteran in the DA's office, and then Maggie Krell, a deputy attorney general endorsed by Kamala Harris and the governor. And then there's Todd Liris, who has worked as a prosecutor for the attorney general and the Sacramento County DA. The three have very different views on capital punishment.
I support the death penalty as a matter of policy. I believe that juries should have an option to make that decision. If somebody were to walk into a movie theater or onto a school grounds and, execute 12 people at random, I think it should be an option. But I recognize and I firmly believe that it's broken and that it needs to be fixed. The voters obviously support it by their denial of Prop 34, but I also believe, and I've been strongly involved in trying to make sure that we have reforms that the voters expect and deserve.
So you say that it's broken. How so, and what would you do to repair it?
It's broken in a number of different fashions. Probably one of the primary things is the fact that it takes upwards of 5 to 7 years for individuals to get attorneys. That's a significant issue. It causes massive delays. It also denies individuals that are on death row an opportunity to have a lawyer much earlier than they should otherwise be entitled to one.
I believe in holding the death penalty for the most serious of criminals. The voters had a choice on this a couple of years ago, and we still have the death penalty in California. I hope that under my watch we won't have a heinous murder case that warrants it, but if we do, I'm willing to consider it.
But you would have no qualms with enforcing it, advocating for it in capital cases?
No.
My belief is the death penalty is unfair and it's broken and can't be fixed. There are 58 counties in California, and each of those counties has a different approach to the death penalty. I think it's inherently unfair that where you commit your crime makes a difference in terms of whether you face that penalty or not.
So when you say it can't be fixed, does that mean that you would not advocate for death penalty or capital punishment if you're elected DA?
No, I've indicated that I will follow the law. I will give it the grave and serious consideration it deserves. But my view is that because of disparities in terms of racial issues and economic issues, that it's broken, and that I expect that at some point the voters in this state are going to say it can't be fixed and they're going to get rid of it.
But how do you handle the dichotomy between your own personal beliefs and experience versus what state law is?
That's a great question, and the answer is you have to do that as a prosecutor every day of your life. That there are certain charges where you believe that the law is unfair, but it's not your job to make the law, it's your job to enforce the law. And on this particular issue, I've said that same thing.
Now, if any candidate captures more than 50% of that vote come June 3rd, then the election is over with no runoff in November, because this race is considered nonpartisan. And you can prepare for California's primary on June 3rd by going to our website. On our Election Insider page, you can find candidate information and voting resources. Just go to kcra.com/politics.